Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to do the wallpaper trend that is going on around TikTok. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can support me by liking this video so YouTube can push it out to others who need this tutorial. So on TikTok, you'll see this wallpaper trend videos where it turns your photograph into abstract piece of work that you can use for your phone wallpapers. So in order to do this, you'll need to download an app called Dream by Wombo. This is available on the App Store or Google Play Store. You want to go ahead and search for that and download it. Once that's been downloaded and installed, go ahead and open the app. You get a pop-up here. Close the pop-up. In the next screen, you can sign in if you already have an account, or you can create an account. I'm just going to hit try it now without creating any account. On the next screen, first enter in a keyword. I'll just press on the first option. Then you need to select your art style. Here I'll just select any random one. Next, you want to select an image from your photo library. The app will ask access to your photo library, so go ahead and allow that. Choose your photo and then here you can resize or crop as per your wish. Press next once complete. Next, adjust the influence of the effect on your photo. Weak will give less effect while strong will give more effect. Here I'll just leave it as normal and then press create. The app will then start to process your photo and will create artwork out of it. If you're not happy with it, then tap on generate again to create it again. If you're happy with it, then go ahead and download the photo by tapping on the top right icon to download it. Once you have downloaded the photo, go ahead and create your TikTok wallpaper art trend video. And that is how to do the wallpaper trend that is going around on TikTok. If this helped you out, then please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.